Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A73 5G, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this, we will need a SIM eject tool, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located at the top of the phone, so right over here. And using the tool, just find the insert hole, push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray just comes out ever so slightly, and now free to pull it out using your fingernail. On here, you have space for either two SIM cards, so you could place one sideways on the SD tray, or one SIM card and one SD card, which is the option that I'll be choosing right here. And there we go. Now keep in mind that SD card is being held in place, but I don't think SIM is. So SIM can just easily fall out for some reason. So you want to carefully insert it back into your device, carefully so the SIM won't come out loose. Insert it all the way, and the card should start working right away. And it is. As you can see, I already have reception. Sometimes it will also open up a page, which I'll see if it will, but you can also see SD card is working as well. So there's the icon, and there we go, there's the page. So it is recognizing my SIM card. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.